Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And the purpose of making this video is to show you the guys the mileage, because people were really excited about the mileage. So I'm in the Mysore city. This is outer ring road of Mysore. So the mileage which I'm getting in the car I'll show in the later. So let me show you guys the interior lights of the car, how the lights looks. And this is diesel automatic for those who don't know. This is diesel automatic car, guys. I'm city ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬೇಡವಾ? Huh? Yeah, we'll go to city, guys. I'll show you the Mysore city also in my way. So guys, for those who don't know, this is diesel automatic car. We came to Mysore and just an weekend drive. So the mileage which the car is giving in around the city, not in around the city, is around 25.2. So guys, now the car has been stopped because it got idle stop system. ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಪಾಪ? Idle start stop system. If I turn the steering, then the car automatically starts. If I turn on the car, then car automatically starts. Yeah. So guys, this is when the car changes the gear. Only first gear is long. As I always mention, only first gear is long. Rest all the gears are smooth. The car just changes its gear very smoothly, and you can see the bonnet of the car. That's the main highlight of this car. And the interior, everything is really good, guys. So the mileage which I'm getting in and around Mysore city, it is an outer ring road. It's 25.2, and we are not gentle. We're like, I'm driving normally. I'm not driving the car too high, nor I'm driving in a silent manner. No, I'm driving as how normal people drive the car. And AC has been switched on. So AC has been dual AC has been on, and AC is set for 25 degrees Celsius. Yeah, you can see the mileage of the car. It's 25.2, and the car is in third gear now. Speed is around 40. Once the car crosses 45ish, and it's changed to fourth gear. This is the ratio, normal ratio of the car. If slope or incline is there, then the gear will not change, because it's how automatic cars are tuned. They're tuned professionally, so that will happen. In normal cases, the car shift to fourth gear at the speed of 45. It is really good. All the gears are smooth. You will not feel anything. Just the first gear is a little bit high. It's okay. After 1,000 kilometers, you will get adjust to the gearbox. It's not that tiresome or irritating. No, it's not nothing as such. It's a good gearbox itself. A few big reviewer are not reviewing about the diesel automatic. I don't know the reason why. Even the large market is there in South India, even some part of the North India, where people prefer diesel automatics. But so-called large famous YouTubers are not doing videos. It's fine. We will do like whatever it's like public channel. Whatever if people are saying, I'm explaining that. Nothing else more. And guys, this is Mysore city. I'm entering the Mysore city. Whenever you come to Mysore, whenever you come to the city of heritage, whenever you come, always to be glittering. Always glitters, always light. And it's a pride of Karnataka, that's for sure. Our cultural city. And the cleanest city in India. You can see there is no garbage, guys. If you come to Bangalore, all garbage is just everything, it will be all over the road. But in Mysore, it's so clean. You can see the road, how clean the roads are. There is not even a single chocolate paper I could see. That clean the city is. If you come to the car point, yeah, guys, and one more thing I should explain to you guys. This system got all the control of the cars. You can control light adjustments and AC adjustments, everything you can see there. Everything comes into the system. I'll make a video on the system itself. So whatever you want controlling, everything will be in the system itself. AC, all lights, switches, DRLs, everything can be controlled in the system. And if you are asking in comment section that AX5 doesn't come with Adrenox, no guys, this is an AX5 diesel automatic car, and this car is having Adrenox. As I'm showing you guys, this car is having an Adrenox, and I can unlock the car using. Yeah, I should make another video regarding the Adrenox app for you guys, because you'll get an idea. And this is how the system is there. So this AC has been set. All system is there. As I'm driving, I'll not do much about the system. I'm just showing you the guys in gist. So guys, if any queries are there regarding car, ask me. And the mileage has been increased drastically. See, I was just making a video with you guys, and you can see everything. The mileage of the car is around 26.7 now. You guys are noticing how I'm driving. You guys are noticing the RPM. Everything guys should notice. Then you'll get an idea. like I'm just driving with you guys, and this is how the mileage is increasing. For my shocking thing, the car gives better mileage in city also, because in city if you drive sedately, the mileage actually a car gives good mileage in city. For me it never goes below, what to say, 18, 17. It never goes below 17 in Bangalore. I stay in South Bangalore, where I travel to Central Bangalore. Everything is 7. For me, the car gives around. It's not that I'll continue with the same average. No, I'll make 0. Like I'll make 0. I'll test every time when I'm going out. Every time I'll make the average 0. Then only we'll get the accurate average figure. So I'll make that 0 thing, and I'll make a video. So in Mysore city, you can see the traffic. Everything is there. Beautiful city, and car is in 3rd gear. Speed is not going below 40, 30, 20 speed is there, and the mileage of the car is keep on increasing. It's like 26.8 now. That's the mileage which car is giving. So far the car is really good, amazing. And if you asking me about DPF thing, I'll show you guys the DPF. Still I have 50% of DPF left, guys. Car has been driven for 7,500 kilometers, 7.5 kilometers in 3.5 months, and I have 50% of DPF. So maybe in 100, one car in 100 cars will have that issue. Not all the cars is having that issue, because few of them are commenting. So I'm just telling, not all the car will have that issue, guys. I don't know, people in Mysore, they're not even turning on indicators. I was just blasting about Mysore, but they're not even turning on the indicators. Yeah, this is the DEF. Mahindra calls it DEF. You can see, guys, I have 50% of DEF left. Car has been driven for more than 7.5 thousand kilometers. Still 50% DPF is there. So no worries or no issues about DPF. If you trust on my videos, then for me no issues touched. Still 50% is there. Maybe I will change at more than 10,000 kilometers. DPF will be changed. No such issues. And we came to the Mysore. And few were asking me DPF, so I think that issue is clear now. And if DPF late came, if it arises, one of the service executive told me that you should raise the car and drive the car in RPM, like drive the car hard and drive for 2-3 kilometers. That clogged, clogging DPF will get disposed of. So nothing worries there. Just drive the car and drive the car for 2-3 kilometers. All that clogged clogged smoke and dust particles will come out. So you'll now have no issues. So I'll show you guys the mileage now. So mileage is now 26.2. This is the mileage which I'm getting in the car, guys. So if any queries are there, ask me. Feel free to ask. I'll reply. I am replying all of your comment. And one more thing, please do subscribe and like my videos. Please just don't watch and go. If my videos if you feel my videos as useful, some information you got from my video, please subscribe and share my videos to your friends and who owns in this car. And main thing which I request you guys to subscribe and like my videos. That means a lot. So thank you so much, guys, for the support. And yeah, we are in Mysore. I will make a small glimpse and we'll put up in a video so that who don't know our Mysore can see the Mysore. And the mileage of the car is so far so good. Now we are into the proper city. I mean center Mysore, proper city we are entering now. Thank you guys for support. And this is AX5 diesel automatic car. Please do subscribe. Don't go without subscribing, please.